Hi, I'm Lango, and this is InvestorPlace Quick Picks, where we communicate to you some of the market's best investment ideas in just 5 minutes. Today, we're going to be talking about Amazon stock, ticker AMZN. Now, Amazon stock absolutely surged after Election Day 2020 because Democrats failed to flip the Senate. And in failing to flip the Senate, it means we're not going to get a blue wave in Washington, where Democrats control the White House, the Senate, and the House. And so, with that, you're not going to get big tech regulation anytime soon. Amazon's not going to get broken up anytime soon. Those are really big fears heading into the election. Now that those fears are gone, now that these political headwinds are sidelined, well, Amazon stock is ready to take off like a rocket ship because guess what? This is the most innovative, hyper-growth company on the planet. All the trends are shifting in favor of Amazon. So when you add it all up, the only thing really holding back Amazon stock were these political headwinds. They're gone now. So what happens? It doesn't take a rocket scientist to connect the dots. Amazon stock, well, it is gonna take off like a rocket. Here's why. So the first thing about Amazon, of course, is Amazon.com, the e-commerce business. And guess what, folks? Everybody on earth is spending more time shopping online than they ever have before. This is a permanent shift that is not slowing down or going anywhere anytime soon. Yet only 16% of online retail sales in the second quarter of 2020 in the US were done online. That's at the height of the pandemic, only 16%. That number could easily go to 20%, 30%, 40%, even 50% or higher over time. So the e-commerce market, yes, it's come a long way since 2000, but it's got a long ways to go. This market's gonna rise by 3x, 4x, maybe even 5x over the next 10, 15 years. Who's at the epicenter of it all? Amazon.com, the largest e-commerce platform on planet Earth. And despite rising competition from Walmart, Target, Wayfair, Etsy, and you name it, they've all come out of the woodworks. Amazon has maintained unrivaled leadership because of innovation, because of new features, because of great pricing, because of their unmatched logistics. They're just stomping out the competition. And so for the next 10 to 15 years, as the e-commerce market booms and booms and booms and booms and booms, Amazon is going to remain leader. And Amazon's commerce business is going to keep growing by leaps and bounds. That's the first big reason you want to own the stock for the long haul. The second big thing here is Amazon Web Services, or Amazon's cloud computing business. Much as everybody is doing more online shopping now than ever before, businesses are working in the cloud now more than ever before too. And again, this is a permanent shift that is not slowing down or going anywhere anytime soon. Over the next 5 to 10 years, businesses will increasingly digitize and virtualize their offices and workflows, migrating everything they do from an on-prem solution to a cloud-hosted solution. That means burgeoning demand for cloud infrastructure to host all of those solutions, all that data, all of those workflows. Amazon Web Services is the #1 player in that space. Indeed, Amazon Web Services dominates cloud infrastructure like Amazon.com dominates e-commerce. So again, the parallels are uncanny. As the e-commerce market booms, Amazon.com is going to boom. As the cloud market booms, Amazon Web Services is going to boom. This is importantly a higher margin business than Amazon.com retail. And as a higher margin business that is growing more quickly, it is going to comprise a bigger and bigger piece of the overall revenue pie as time goes on. That means margins will shift higher and higher and higher as Amazon Web Services scales. Higher margins means bigger profit growth. As go profits, so go stocks. Amazon stock will power higher behind this exceptional profit growth trajectory from Amazon Web Services. Of course, you can't forget Amazon's digital ad business, which is small but rapidly growing and has huge potential, given that Amazon.com is the most visited e-commerce website on the planet Earth. There's also the offline retail business, which again could get really, really big because Amazon has this breakthrough novel cashierless checkout system that they are pioneering and trying to make ubiquitous in offline retail. And there's also the self-driving business, which is pretty new because Amazon just acquired Zoox. But if Amazon does master that, they could become a leader in self-driving logistics. So providing self-driving services for delivery and stuff like that. That could be an enormous long-term business. Again, highly speculative today, but could be enormous in the long run. So when you add up all the pieces here, Amazon, I mean, it's the king of growth stocks. They're innovating relentlessly. They're growing quickly. This growth is not going to stop anytime soon. And guess what? In today's market with zero interest rates, with investors getting really bullish, growth stocks are going to keep outperforming. Amazon, king of growth stocks, is going to be leading that outperformance. So it's the perfect time, the perfect stock, the perfect market. You gotta buy Amazon stock here. Political headwinds gone. It's time for this stock to really start taking off. Well, that's all we have for this edition of InvestorPlace Quick Picks. I hope you like what you saw. If you did, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, smash the like button, or if you like to read, come over and visit us at InvestorPlace.com, where we have some of the market's best analysis. Until next time, cheers and happy investing to all.